Tingling. My lips are tingling. Tingling, 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 tingling. Guys, I'm in hell. Hi, my sexy cakes. Oh my god, guys, I think I'm just gonna start the vlog here. I'm going in a week. It's Tuesday. I think I'm leaving on next Tuesday. I don't remember the dates because there's so many things that's been going on. There's so much of processing and planning and documents and so much of packing and so much of shopping that we need to do. So that's that. As you all know, I've just come back. Okay, I've not just come back. It's been a while since I came back from Goa. Then I went on another road trip, and then I've been back, and then it started freaking raining like a bee. But listen. I don't know why, but I'm not able to like wrap my head around the fact that I'm saying this out loud. Anyway, guys, I thought that what better time than this trip to start my YouTube career. Oh my god. But yeah, so today we went yesterday to Causeway. We did some thrift shopping vibes, and then I got a few cute dresses. So excited to style these. I've gotten like, I think my jewelry side is done, my clothing is done. I think I need like a few more tops probably. But yeah, we are ready and about to leave. We're going to the mall. Okay, see you. What are your thoughts on the rains, guys? Like, do you like it? Do you hate it? Like, imagine if you were protected, you were in a car and you were going from one destination to the other and it's raining outside. Like, what would you feel about it? Would you like it or not? Because I actually like it when I'm in like a, safe space and it's raining. Like when I'm in my room and everything's cozy and cute. I actually really enjoy it. There's a very specific type of cars that I dream of driving. There's one, a Bentley, a Mini Cooper, and vintage cars like these. They're so charming and so beautiful. I was about to ask you the same thing. I don't know, you tell me.
I'm on an all no carb diet. You're so stupid.
If you're from Mumbai and you visit Palladium, there's this one side of the mall which is so confusing, like the side where there's Taco Bell. गलत जगह चले गए हम तो ऊपर जाके नीचे आ गए. Comment down if you think she is chapta. Come guys, let's play a game. This is what happens when you do voiceovers. What is your favorite order from Taco Bell? Mine is the 7-layered burrito. Everywhere you go nowadays, they just want your mobile number. I'm just like, guys, stop it. Literally stop it. I can't keep giving you my phone number. Reha got the naked chicken taco, which is just deep fried chicken. So weird. Mera burrito, Zindabad. This was the masala thumbs up, ya Pepsi. Acha tha, but I felt like mine was way better. Like the masala thumbs up was more blunty and like, jaljeera. Mine was ekdam aise khatta tikha, like masala nimbu pani. Yeah, get the vibes. Also, guys, I'm coming clean. I love ancient history and like, history about the world and stuff. And currently I'm very obsessed with ancient Egypt. So there's this one fact that I'm going to share with you. Okay, the ancient Egyptians invented lots of things that we still use today, such as paper, pens, locks and keys, and believe it or not, toothpaste. Oh my god. बहुत पेट भर के ठूस के खा लिया. I think हमें छोड़ना भी पड़ा. It was just too much. It was just too much for the two of us. Now we are here. Okay, I shall see you. I bought a pair of linen pants which were, khaki linen pants, I say very relaxed wale from Zara once, and my sister also wanted one of those, so we were on the lookout. We went to Zara, they were for 3,500. We went to Uniqlo, she found a better one in fact, and they were for 1.5k. In this war between the brands of who's doing better, hum log pis jate hain. Bigger size of this Uniqlo bag, but when we came here to look for it, it's not there. They said they discontinued it. I am very sad. A girl needs storage. Guys, I'm in hell. It's Zara. No, please don't try that. Bringing back trends because I kid you not, I literally had a top like this when I was, I think, like 6 or 7 years old, which then my sister went on to wear for her 5th standard birthday. I'm trying to look for clothes, but everything is just so, there are a few good ones, but then they're just all overpriced, and I do not know if I should speak like that because like inflation and stuff, but come on. Get a grip. Yeah. I feel like the experience of an elder sibling when you have a sibling you're close to is so similar to parenthood. Like, I'm a mother. After shaming on Zara, I have bought 2 things from Zara. I don't need you to call that out. Literally, keep quiet. I am already having to deal with the event that is paying at Zara. So I think that's enough. Guys, also people at Uniqlo, the staff, it is, I think, I'm very glad that they're trained like that, but whenever you enter or whenever there's a staff next to you crossing, going up or down, or even if they, they purposely lock eye contact with you and they'll just keep saying, hi, welcome to Uniqlo, hi, welcome to Uniqlo, what do you need, and I'm like, you're scaring me. I put our Uniqlo clothes also in this bag only. Now we're going to Nykaa or Tira to get some makeup stuff. Okay. Yeah, that's right. She hated K Beauty's mascara. Now we came to, what was this place? Nykaa, Tira, I think this was Tira. And there were these kids, we were testing out like mascara and blush, okay? And these group of kids came next to me and they were like, yeah, my mom has this entire Dior lip ka collection. And I was just hearing them and I was like, wow, तुम लोग की उम्र में तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था Dior क्या होता है. And then I was like, maybe I'm in that age where now I look at kids younger than me or people just younger than me and I'm like, wow, इनकी उम्र में तो मैं नहीं करती थी ऐसा. I just think that the cycle keeps repeating itself. Like my parents would say that to me and now I am saying it to random kids and God forbid I say that to my kids, you know, like I would like to understand my kids better and, you know, not shame them for this, like how I am right now. Maybe that is something that I will grow with, you know, with time and experience. Tested out like Huda Beauty ka lip gloss and all, was really nice. I tested out the Too Faced ka lip plumper and I thought that I did not know what I was getting into. I just applied it on my lips. The applicator was so good. The lip gloss was so good. I loved it. The, you know, sheer uska shine and uska application, it was just so good and I was just waiting to see how it plumps up my lips. Tingling. My lips are tingling. Tingling, 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 tingling. Did you like my mascara? We've bought it. It's from Benefit. Girl. It looks so good. At the Olaplex bonding oil, my hair is behaving, and also the lip plumper, I think it plumped my lips because it was literally burning. I hope it's not raining outside. Just two girls with eyelashes. Why's my eye looking like this?
No, listen, I had two naked vegan tacos and then I had...
Getting a catchment cab outside of Palladium is a task which I do not want to bestow anybody upon. It sucks. Do my lips look plumped? Kinda. I feel like this extra part is new. Okay, serving. ठीक है, ओवरऑल आई फील कि मॉल जाओ या घर से बाहर निकलो तो तुम यू नो यू मैं ना घर पे पूरे टाइम रहती हूँ तो आई फील कि फिर अपने घर के चार दीवारों के बीच में तो तुम्हारे सेम थिंकिंग वाले लोग होते हैं घर पे, है ना. बट देन व्हेन यू स्टेप आउट यू आर लाइक ओ यहाँ पे दूसरे लोग भी हैं, दूसरे मेंटालिटी के लोग भी हैं. आई फील इसीलिए थोड़ा पब्लिक एक्सपोजर इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. लाइक मैं जितना भी अपने आप को बोलूँ इंट्रोवर्ट या एम्बीवर्ट या आई लाइक टू स्टे एट होम, बाहर जाके मैं सीखती ज़रूर हूँ. तो आई गेस यू नो एवरीथिंग इन बैलेंस इज़ गुड ऑल्सो because it's like filled in my eyebrows. I do have like shaped eyebrows but I don't have like filled in. Maybe I'll next time buy a, what was that thing? Brow tint, not brow pencil or something, but I don't know. Look very nice. Benefit, I trust you, Benefit. Did you think that clip was random? I was talking about how I used a brow pencil for my eyebrows and it was really looking good. Like मेरे eyebrows are nicely shaped but थोड़े से उसमें ना ऐसे empty patches हैं. So I was thinking of getting an eyebrow pencil the next time. This one audio and they're like and then we keep laughing and keep doing that and we get stuck in this loop and it's the worst ever. I am not participating in this. You can.
I did it 7 times.
Yeah. Hi bestie, I'm back and I'm so surprised that अभी तक अंधेरा नहीं हुआ. Usually जब हम लोग वापस आ जाते हैं तो it's the end of the day and I'm happy that it's not. But I'm a little bit of gassy. I'm a little cause so much of sitting and I think it was the burrito. Who knows? Bro, I'll tell you what I got. I got this K Beauty blush and let me tell you something. It's really good. Like I like the pinky vibes that it's giving. Then second thing, me and my sister are not really into eye makeup because it's just we don't understand it. So we have bought this Benefit ka mini mascara which we both will share and honestly super good. I think this one is this and I think इस eye पे Anastasia का है Beverly Hills का. एक तो वो that chick was just kind of trying to sell this to me and I was like, babe, read the room. Can you relate to me? Where is the relatability factor? Why are you not able to relate to me and why are you selling me something that I do not want right now? Guys, I think this mascara is really good because every mascara I've used this clumps up बेकार. ये तो काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. Yo, crazy. Oh, by the way, मैंने वो कपड़ा ले लिया. I got the literal same outfit that I had tried on at Zara. I've got this tube top. It's so, I don't know, like I've never worn tube tops in my life because like you know, being a girl, there are many issues that society puts upon you, and then you are also like, oh my god, I have to follow them. But then once you grow up, you're like, my brain is developed, and I literally do not care what you're trying to tell me. Sorry for ruining the aesthetic because this मेरे इस कबर्ड में पिछले मानसून टर्माइट्स आ गई थी एंड आई couldn't nobody could fix it बट फिर हमने बहुत उसको किया फिक्स बट उसके बाद हम लोग की फैमिली डर गई थी कि क्या करें उसका तो हमने ये एक एक्स्ट्रा कबर्ड मंगवाया समटाइम्स यू नो यूटिलिटी ओवर एस्थेटिक्स जस्ट शट अप ओ इन दी शॉर्ट्स वेरी क्यूट शॉर्ट्स मेरे को ऐसे ज़ारा के शॉर्ट्स आते नहीं है यूजुअली but maybe the gymming is working guys anyway this was I hope you had fun. I'm not revealing. Actually, you know, when I began the, you know, I'm going to reveal the location very, very soon because I believe in Nazar and I believe in good things should be not shared first. But I'm sharing it with you still. Like parts of it basically. Anyway, thank you for coming along. मैंने अपनी shopping खाली इतनी सी नहीं की मैंने और भी की है but like multiple days पे and then I was like I can record a YouTube video. Can you please like my video and comment something sweet and subscribe to my channel? I'm going to be posting really more videos. So this was just the first video to like begin. And rest assured I am going to post here more because abhi काफी चीजें आ रही हैं in the next literal 5-6 days. Okay? Okay, love you. Bye.